Hey everybody, I'm Justin Caldwell from Caldwell Equipment on Main Street in DeSoto. We have the Hustler Spring Sales event happening at our dealership right now, and there are great deals, extra discounts on the Raptor family models. And I've got one of those machines right here behind me I want to kind of highlight. This is the Raptor XDX model in the 60-inch deck, and let me show it to you. So this is the Raptor XDX in the 60-inch. This is also available in a 54-inch. But this machine is the top tier residential model in the Raptor family. It's got a nice high back, thick cushion seat. It's got the big bite tires. It has the 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine. And with this one being like the top of the line residential model, the next size up is going to get you into the commercial fast track family. But this mower is just, if you've got acreage, this is the perfect machine for you. It can actually mow 3.9 acres per hour. So this one will definitely get the job done for you. Right now there's an extra $300 in discounts. So I'll show you how the pricing works. Right here, this is if you want to pay on 0% for 48-month financing. The middle tier, you get a little bit of a discount for paying with a credit or debit card. And then this is for cash, cashier's check, or a 0% for 6-month plan that we can honor the cash discount on. Now you take the extra $300 off of any tier you choose. So right now, if you're paying cash, you're at $61.99 on the cash price of the Raptor XDX. So we're one of the largest Hustler dealers in the Midwest, and we've sold a lot of Raptor family models, and they get rave reviews, as well as our Caldwell Advantage service plan. With the service plan, you actually get the cheapest price to have your mower serviced each year, and then you can keep up to 7 years of coverage on your mower if you choose to stay in the program. And so it's kind of an unheard of extra benefit. You can't get a 7-year warranty anywhere else. So come and check us out at 1914 North Main Street. Call us or text us on 636-586-9607, or you can look us up on our website. It's caldwellequipment.com. Thanks a lot.